Tickle tickle. Hey y'all. Today I will be showing y'all how to do a chopped cheese loaded baked potato. See you in a minute. Okay, right here we have our 2 baked potatoes that we're going to cook today. We're going to lay out some foil sheets. And these are some good foil sheets right here, y'all. They keep those potatoes nice and warm while they're in the oven. We're going to grab our potato and we're going to add a little oil to it. This really makes it good in the oven, okay? We're going to get that oil all over the baked potato. Just like that. We're also going to add some sea salt all around the baked potato. This also gives the potato good flavor. And then we're going to wrap it up nice and tight. We're going to do the same thing to the other baked potato, y'all, okay? Y'all, we are going to put this baked potato in a preheated oven at 450 for at least about 45 minutes to an hour. If you have bigger baked potatoes, it's going to take longer, probably about an hour, 15 minutes. Okay, we're going to go down with some oil onto the flat top. We're going to give it a little swirl to spread it around so we can get that all evenly distributed. And we're going to add our already frozen hamburger patty. And we're going to let that patty cook on each side for at least about 3 to 5 minutes. We just want to get that brown side on both sides before we break it up. We're going to add a little bit of seasoned salt. Okay, after about 3 to 5 minutes, we flipped it over and y'all see that brownness on there? That's exactly what you're looking for. The little brown bits on top. You want to make sure you get a little brown on there before you get to breaking it up on both sides. We're also going to add some ranch seasoning on the other side. This give it that great flavor, y'all. Okay. Okay, after this patty has cooked for at least about 3 to 5 minutes on the other side, y'all see how all the brown edges are? That's exactly what you're looking for on both sides. It's not cooked in the middle all the way, but that's okay. We are going to chop this meat up very fine, and it's better to do it that way so that way it's easier to chop up if you do it that way. Y'all be careful because this griddle is hot. But chop, chop, chop. Let's keep chopping and cook it until you know that you see no more pink at all. And then we're going to add some white cheese and also add some American cheese. This is going to make this chopped cheese very delicious. Okay, we're going to let it sit up there until it melts just like this. It don't take it long to melt, y'all. Y'all know cheese don't take long to melt at all. And this is what I was talking about right here. When I lift it up right here. Look at that sprinkled cheese. That looks delicious. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, right here, y'all, we are going down with the baked potato that I had put in the oven for 45 minutes. It took them 45 minutes to cook. So I'm going to spread out this baked potato, and then I am going to go ahead and mash down the baked potato so it could be spreaded all the way out. As y'all know of my other videos, I do all of them the same way. All my baked potatoes the same way. Butter, cheese, white cheese, sprinkles, and white sauce. All of it is the same. I will try to link one of my YouTube channel videos at the bottom, okay? So y'all can check it out. Okay, after the cheese, y'all know we go down with some white sauce. Oops. You won't be cooking unless you're making a mess in the kitchen. But we're going to go down with this delicious white sauce. This white sauce is very delicious on these baked potatoes. Okay. All right, y'all. The start of the show. Add the chopped cheese. Ooh, this is some delicious chopped cheese, y'all. Ooh, I'm telling y'all, when I ate this, it was very, very good, very delicious. I really did enjoy it. I haven't had a baked potato in a while, but this one was a good one. It really was. I couldn't eat but half of it, but it was a good one. The baked potato be so big, you can't eat but half. And as if we didn't have enough cheese, we still gonna add some cheese sauce, okay? Because we want to. Y'all don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We sure do appreciate y'all comments and likes. Thank you so much. We're going down with some bacon bits. They are good on a loaded baked potato. Some people don't like bacon, but you know, I like bacon, so I am going to add it on my potato. Y'all let me know in the comments what other baked potato ideals or what other toppings y'all would like to see on a loaded baked potato. Please leave it in the comment below, okay? This will help us get some new ideas and new toppings for the loaded baked potatoes. Okay, we're going down with some sour cream. As little or as much as you like. We're going down with a little sprinkle seasonings. We're going to add lemon. That lemon gives it great flavor when you just squeeze it over it. We're going down with some pickles. And we are going to get us some pico de gallo to go in there. That pico de gallo make it really delicious, y'all, over that loaded baked potato. That's the pico de gallo. It makes it really delicious, really delicious. Here we go. Enjoy. All right, y'all, don't forget to clean your surfaces. Clean up this mess that we made, okay? We got to clean. Stay clean, okay? All right, y'all, this is the chopped cheese loaded baked potato. You can see the cheese, you can see the meat, you can see the sour cream, the lemons, the pickles, the white sauce, the butter. I want y'all to enjoy. And this is Quality Eatery baked potato. Okay, y'all, I don't know what happened to my auto right here. I don't know what happened to it. I can't hear nothing. From my auto. But we are going to start by putting the pico de gallo on top of this chopped cheese, loaded baked potatoes. My auto is not working. It was not working. I don't know why. But we're going to mix this up very, very well. We're going to add some of that sour cream in there. Make sure we get that sour cream in there, y'all. Most definitely going to get that sour cream in there. It looks delicious. We got that cheese. We got that white sauce. We got that pico de gallo. We have the lemon right here. We're going to squeeze that lemon over the top and give it a little squeeze. Now, I don't know why I'm doing my lips like that while I'm squeezing these lemons. I think I'm ready to eat this baked potato. Like I say, I haven't had a baked potato in a long time, y'all. So I really, really going to enjoy this one. This is a new baked potato that I just made. So chopped cheese, loaded baked potato. Look at that cheese, y'all. Check it out. It was so good. It was good. When I say this was good, y'all, it is good. It really is good. Y'all could tell the way that I'm eating that it was delicious. It was really, really good. It tastes good. You can taste, I can taste everything in it. I can taste the sour cream, the cheese from the chopped cheese. I can taste the little season that I put on the meat. I can taste the pico de gallo. I can taste the lemon. I can taste the butter. I can taste the white sauce. It was just delicious, y'all. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna give this pickle try. Oh, it was even better with the pickle because you get the little saltiness from the pickle and then you bite into the baked potato. It was just delicious. It's delicious. You can't go wrong with it. It's delicious. It really is. As you can see the cheese in the baked potato. You can't go wrong with that, okay? It's delicious. It still got stringy cheese on there. I was enjoying this baked potato, y'all. I really was. Really was enjoying it. This baked potato is like, it was, it tastes like, let me see, it was like a meat potato pie, y'all, to me. It was like a meat potato pie with added cheese in there, you know, with all the fixings, and the white sauce really made it, though. It really did. But it really did remind me of meat potato pie. That's what it reminded me of. It's really delicious now. It's really delicious. I had to clear my throat, y'all. I got drinking a little water over here, okay? All right, y'all. I can't eat this whole baked potato. It is too big, okay? I cannot eat this whole baked potato. It's too big. And y'all, I really enjoyed this. And I hope y'all really enjoyed this video.